going to dive deep into the Mariana Trench, which is the deepest and most uncharted region of the ocean. There, I hope to discover something that no one knew existed.
Are you going to find Obaid's brain?
Funny! What do you hope to find there?
I don't really know yet. Most of the world under the sea is unexplored, so there are likely many forms in the most remote parts that we have not encountered yet, you see.
Oh, there are strange things down there under the ocean. Big and dangerous things there. Things you may be sorry you discovered, but it's too late.
Huh?
I've got lots to do. Bye-bye. Nice meeting you.
Huh? Come on, let's go and explore the rest of the island. Huh? Ah! Huh? Ha! Sorry, everyone. It was just my new invention.
What is it?
It's my holographic projector. Look, you can point it at anything you like. Press the button once to capture the image you want, then project it like this.
Aw, you poor little thing. Do you want some food? Do you want some? Whoa, this monkey likes me.
Probably because you look like a banana.
Whatever. Hey!
Where are they going?
Monkey, come here, I'll give you lots of food. Huh? Come here, little fella.
Fully automated dive.
Obey!
Oh no! This is bad!
He's almost done eating it.
Obeyed, we have bigger things to worry about right now.
Huh? Like what?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe like this problem you created. Just look over there, guys!
Dive in progress. Estimated descent distance to ocean floor is 6 kilometers.
What are we going to do?
All right, sit back and enjoy the ride. There's not much else we can do.
Hello, boys? Can you hear me?
Are you all okay?
Yes, we can hear you. We're fine.
What are you guys doing in there?
We followed our little friend that Obaid was chasing for eating a snack and accidentally hit the launch button trying to get it.
Which little friend? Whoa!
No, the monkey's in my submarine. Don't worry, boys. You're all quite safe as long as you, stay still and don't touch anything. The submarine is on a pre-programmed route to the deepest part of the ocean, so just hang in there.
Wow, look! Whoa, there's some very weird-looking things out there.
There's some very weird things in here, too. Look, Mansoor, there's a monkoy. Half monkey, half boy.
You are now in the Mariana Trench. No human has ever been to that depth
Has a
before.
monkey ever reached this depth before?
Oh, no, boy. No monkey or human being has reached to this depth before. Whoa! We're picking up a large life form on the scanners!
is bigger than an elephant!
It's even bigger than 10 elephants!
Yeah, you can make a big crab salad with that, you know? A huge one! What are you guys looking at me for?
Amazing! No one has seen this creature before.
Size of that thing.
What a great discovery, amazing.
That's amazing.
It's looking at us funny.
Yeah, it's looking at us the same way Obaid looks at ice cream.
I think it thinks we're dinner.
No need to panic, but don't be scared, boys.
You need to do something.
I'm sorry, but there's nothing we can really do. The sub is on a pre-programmed route. It can't be stopped.
Huh? It's coming towards us.
But we're still going towards it.
Get us out of here.
What can I do? Think, Mansour, think.
Well, I think it's time to have one final meal. Ha! Hey!
Yes! Nano, do you think you can override the system and give me control of the sub?
I will try.
Hurry up, Nano.
Keep trying. If you don't hurry, I'm afraid it will become the giant crab's lunch.
Come on, Nano, faster!
System override complete.
Automated dive
We're
sequence
done, Nano!
disabled.
Well done! I can get us out of the trench now! Oh no!
Can't this thing go any faster?
This is the fastest it can go! It's got us!
What are we gonna do now?
I got it! We can scare it with something even bigger! Huh? Here, let's see how the crab likes King Kong!
Whoa! Well, that didn't work. We're all doomed.
Why isn't this crab afraid of a giant monkey? What's going to scare him now?
This should scare him!
What?
This!
Wow! Now that's the scariest thing I've ever seen.
We did it!
Yeah, it's all thanks to your scary face, Solemn. It could scare off a giant crab.